Hello, everyone, and welcome to another lesson on Google Gemini. We are still on creating of image. So today we are going to be discussing on how to brand your business. Branding your business has to do with having your customized logo and other things you need for you to create your business flair for adverts or banner by yourself. So before we go into creating all those things, we will first get our prompts that we are going to use for creation of the business logo and other objects we need to design a flyer or banner. If you remember, we talked about prompt optimization, which we said is how to just fine tune your prompt. You give an AI a prompt, then you ask it to optimize it for you for better results. That is what we are going to do now. Let me just test my prompts here. I'm into a makeup artist with the name Beauty Ray, makeup artist. I want to brand my business with logo and flyer for advert. Kindly act as a prompt engineer and write me a prompt to generate the business logo, the picture to use in the flyer, and also the flyer design. Here now we have our prompt. You can see after even giving us a prompt, it's also advising us on how to use the prompt. Let's just directly go into the prompt. These are the prompts. This is where our prompt starts. Optimized logo prompt. From this luxurious to an abstract from this logo prompt. Then the second prompt, which is for the a girl. Then this is the prompt. And now lastly, the prompt for our flyer design. So what we are going to do now is we are going to click on it. Just tap on it. Tap on this right up. When you tap on it, you can see where you can be able to select, right? So what we are going to do is that we are going to select the first prompt, which is for the logo. Here, you select from this luxurious here. You can see I'm not tapping it, I'm not highlighting it. You see, once you reach this place, you click on copy. So when you click on copy, you now click on new charts. Click on new charts. Then you click on create image here. Then you now paste in the prompts. Design a luxurious. Then go. Now you now click on send. Wow. Now you guys can see the logo we have for this business, a Beauty Ray makeup artist. Now we'll now go to the next one, which is the image we are going to create. So for us to do that, we're going to click on these three dots from up here. Then we'll now click on our previous chart, which is air prompt for makeup. We click on it. Then we'll now go back to that prompt. I will now go and copy the second prompt, which is this one. It's toning. Click on it for us to copy it here. Alright, you click on copy. Then you click on that three dots line from the top left corner again. I go back to your chart, which is the first one, design as well as minimize this. You click on it. Then you now come and paste in the prompts. Let me add this. Create a hyper realistic turning close up. Let me leave it like this and see what you have. Alright, this is the picture we have. This is what we have. Then now let's go back to that chart again and copy our last prompt, which is the prompt for the flyer. That from this is sophisticated. Alright. Okay, this is all about the flare. Now let's go back to our area where we do work. Now we are going to paste in our prompt. Then for us to get exactly what we want, we need to tell the AI to use, let me start and say, design a sophisticated, luxurious advertising flare design for beauty ray makeup artists. And the layout is at the top center, place the beauty ray makeup artist logo in gold and white scripts lettering. All right, you guys can see this is the flare we got from Nano Banner Gemini. It matches our description. Our logo is the same, and the image we want to use is also the same. You can see this is very simple and elegant, right? Then if you want to add more details, you can still add more details to it. You can see it matches our description, the color, which are the whites, golden, and the black. This is exactly what we describe. If you wish, you can still add up some designs or some write up. Let me try to add some write up. It just said, add the text, we bring out the beauty in you to the right of the lady face in bold text and move the face to the left side a little bit. Then we'll say, let's remove the background on the lady face. Let's see what we are going to have. Wow, this is beautiful, right? As you guys can see, it has moved the face to the side, and it has bring in the write up will bring out the beauty in you. You guys can see when I was writing this prompt, I put in a double quotes on this write up will bring out the beauty in you. That signifies that this is the write up we want it to appear. If you do not put those double quotes, you might see something different or some addition. But where those quotes start and end, that is where you have the write up in the image. Let me make another changes again so that change the face of the lady to that of an African black beauty lady with the same makeup. Let's see what we have. Wow, you guys can see, right? This is more beautiful and this is more local, right? As in, we being an African and Nigerian, so this is more beautiful. You guys can see. So if you're okay with this, or you need to add some touch ups, just click on add some touch up. And if you're okay with this, you just click on save, and then we have our flare being saved. All right, that is all about designing or branding of our business. You guys can use this in any of the business you have in mind. So this is the end of today's lesson. In our next lesson, we're supposed to be talking about creation of videos using VO3, but many of you say that you cannot see creation of video in your Google Gemini, and I'm still looking for a way to make you guys have those feature in your Google Gemini. We'll have to look into another AI in our next lesson. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day.